Asan baso mo yan?
Tayo eh.
Kanawag, masing na ko. Kujamad.
Mga po doon na akong hiingon.
Kujamad.
Basig na iko to. Ate, kabuang ng dani.
Katong nag-inom kami.
Kung baso, ni kalitrag na iko to, ni gawas.
Gusto ito manok.
Dili, nang gawas magod man niya kay nagpataya. Nya kadto ko sa direksyon pagbalik na ako naikuto na nga akong tagay naglutaw-lutaw. Gamay ra.
Kasi gamay ra ko ali ah. Di ah. Tao. Ito puto naman puto yun.
Where to survive, I had to defeat deadly bosses, craft legendary weapons, and face one of the best trail stories ever.
Wa akong pisa pa lang.
Revenge, or will we flying with only one life? We were about
Ano, okay ba? Lo. Ulam?
these chests have nothing. Oh wow,
Pag air fryer yan, tayo ano, pero lutong-luto ano, parang lechon dyan. Ano.
that's not good. Okay, I need to leave.
Oo, wala mantika. Wala mantika. May nagkaroon na ako ng kuryente.
Gawin na po doon. Mura mo tanig bitayon ay.
Kumain ka din. Reklamo di ha.
Alamak ko.
Yung pinatawag sa lata. Yung natagas yung matika niya.
Hapon na tayo. May ginagawa ka. Pagod ka na.
Wala tayong lata eh.
Lata sa biskwit.
I guess my new teammate. Go! Go! Okay, good job, Chase.
Natupad talaga yung lechon manok manang.
Nice guy. Gave me the heart. Oh,
Kasi tamad na gago. Hindi naman sa kanya ano.
okay. No, we do.
Syrup kapit talaga si Gawin kay Kuya, pati ang lakal. Yung nakaganyan-ganyan ito, tinitigan ko ka na. Para yung maglakad yung dalawa.
Beautiful boost. Why is he deafened? Oh my gosh.
Biggest quick drop in 2025.
That boost sucked. Please, you have a better boost here. Come on, Mr. Chase Dash R960.
Sayang.
Man, shut the
Sa Bombay tuloy ang nakapaigo.
Oh my god, he's...
Oh, he's so still.
Stop it.
Oh my god. Yeah, so.
Oh.
Nice. Okay. Alright, I say we gotta go find structure.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
I'm gonna make a team really quick.
Alright.
Ag, yung agto dito sa Bombay?
Kaya sabi nga nila.
There we
Punta
go.
ka din doon.
What a team.
Diba?
Gisulot po niya yung mga matataya.
Hindi. Sila ang nato. Magsusip ko man sa mga sa. Sa kaya na kawa.
Oh, structure, I think.
Yeah, benda lang las 4.
Okay.
Sabor mo siya naman siya sa service.
Kado po doon ato ha.
Structure, go ahead.
Di, ang bisa pala 5 na pay adlaw.
There's like 20 guys here, but you have full iron. You have full iron. Enjoy. No, you have full
Ulan pa po.
iron. Let's do a little common interest. Oh, what an idiot. They are very sweaty players. You guys got that. No, we got
Yak mo.
We can like 30 once somebody. Come on, let's go. This is right where it is.
Ay, sus.
Okay, hey.
Hindi mo gitimpla ni. Toyo lang. Basta siya.
Check lang.
You got that. I don't know if I want that. No, you got that. Why would I?
Are you like Minecraft Deadly Fire?
That is definitely my title, yeah. Okay, so then can you go deadly? Can you deadly them? Can I go deadly? Actually,
Mga sabaan, magod na sila doon. Sige, pag sige away mo na, mitingon na
I
sila.
steal the hearts that he kills. Oh my god, I see so many. Gotta get the
Mga
hearts.
sabaan.
And does anybody have hearts? Anybody have hearts?
Definitely fine.
I hit it. I would run.
Pero sulto lang service na.
Okay. Can we 2v1 this?
Nandun ako ni kasi dyan.
Ano yun ba siya?
Kasi yun, sa ano ah. Natundanan.
Tingala siya pagawas na ako. Mga siya yung sipi-sipi. Sa gabihin ako yan pa ninyo ulit.
Get about now.
Kumama siya na ano siya.
Wala ba siya? Wala ba siya? Wala man siya.
Spec. You got this. No, run. You idiot. Why did you think you got that?
Minecraft?
Come on. You can do it. You can do it.
Paano mag-download ng Minecraft? Nilalaro ko yun, tapos binura ko. Di na ako maka-download.
Wala, may bayad dun.
May bayad na mag-download sa Play Store.
Nilalaro ko yan dati kung ano ng mga bahay lang ginagawa ko. Minecraft.
Wala bayad yun, diba?
Wala man dati.
Meron na.
I don't know.
Wala mo na downloadan yun.
Sa Chrome.
Makakapaglaro ka nga dati kahit walang internet.
Okay. Hindi ako nagdagano. Hindi
Ayan.
nabayad sa ano.
Do you want me to go kill them? No, we're killing this guy.
Ah, sakto. Anong pangalan nun? Minecraft?
Next lang, tapos. Ayun, download. Tapos, ilalabas niya. Tapos, install mo na.
Mamaya na try ko. Para yun ang libangan ko, Minecraft.
Kaya mo sigas-sigas yung pulo na.
Brohin ko yung ibang apps. Yung mga games kasi ako dito, yung ganyan, oh.
We paid the price. Get out.
Parang mga missile.
No, I was kidding. I was kidding. I was kidding. I was kidding. I was very much kidding. I was very
Sarap
much
walang
kidding.
gulay.
What is down
Okay?
here?
Sarap ang gulay.
You're not the smartest tool in the shed.
Salamat ako, hindi pa ako nakadumi.
Guys, we're stuck down here. Save
Wala,
us.
pag dumi ko
Yeah, there's so
madala.
much loot.
It's just like,
Thank you.
I've got stuff.
Drop food. Do a care package of food, please.
We need a tactical block.
Oh no, don't do this to me. You got good.